Welcome back. Today I'm going to have a look at these Crelando acrylic paints. I did do a video of their watercolour one a little while ago, and I think when you get them in Lidl's they tend to have watercolours, acrylics, oils, sometimes they do pastels and stuff. But anyway, this one's just going to be about the acrylics ones. And the paper, I'm not going to do it on a canvas. I'll put a screenshot of the paper up on the screen now. And all I've done here, I've just cut that up and made it into, I've not used it as you can see yet, but I've just made it into a little sketchbook. Right, so there's, I doubt we're going to get any mention of what pigments are in them, because they're going to be, obviously they're only, you know, really cheap stuff. Like beginner stuff is what they are. So you get white, what colour is that? Medium yellow or cad yellow? Alright, lemon yellow, yellow ochre, that's always a good colour to have. Vermilion, I'm not a lover of vermilion. I don't really know what to do with vermilion. Crimson, sap green, viridian, that is one nasty colour. I don't like viridian at all. Viridian's one of them colours that you have to mix with something else, because if you put that down, then like in real life, the viridian just isn't a colour that you would see, not in nature anyway, but you might see it on, say, perhaps some things like exotic birds, so like parrots and stuff, you might see it. So it's not, you know, it's not, don't never use it, but it's not one of them things that I tend to use much. Cerulean blue, ultramarine blue, burnt sienna, burnt amber, they've called that burnt amber again, and lamp black. So colour wise, I would say that is a very good selection of colours to start out with painting. I mean, if I was to pick 12 colours, I don't think I'd be far off of that. I wouldn't have viridian, but pretty much, if they, you know, if anyone said to me, what 12 colours would you have? It wouldn't actually be far off of that at all, I don't think. I mean, lemon yellow is a good yellow. Vermilion, I would probably, although you can make your own pinks and stuff, I would rather have, say, like a rose pink or something like that, maybe. But yeah, pretty good, really. So I didn't do the swatches, so So I'm going to do that now on here. Your white you're not going to be able to see obviously, but the rest of them you will. bigger one. It's a ratty one maybe. Yeah, all in all, not bad. I don't mind any of these really. I don't mind any of these except the white. The white was terrible. The rest of them, fine. Anyway, they're only about £3 or £4 maybe. I think they're, yeah, £3 or £4. Anyway, so you can get, you know, you can do a bit of a painting with them. What was that? Some sort of tree and a bit more flowers over there. And then a couple of leaves, I don't know if I've done that, a couple more leaves I've played about with. And then that's what we started with. Yeah, it's alright for beginners, not bad at all I'd say. Hope to see another one again soon then. Cheers.